Well, hello, YouTubers. Thought I'd share this. Welcome to a little cabin here. I like to call it Log Kevin. And it's available for rent on Airbnb. So check it out. And it's Appalachian Trail, Harpers Ferry area, West Virginia. So I have this instant heat hot water heater. That's an outdoor unit and works really well. The only problem that I came up with was that if you left it outside below freezing temperatures, that it will blow the inside piping and it won't be any longer usable. So I tried to see if anybody else had the same problem. I wasn't having any luck on YouTube or internet searches. And I came up with my own triad of solution, and you guys take a look at it and see what you think, and I'll give you a look at it now. So this is the little log cabin. Have a clawfoot tub out here in the back that I split from the hot water heater line to the house out to the tub. And we go down here to the hot water heater. So yeah, we're right on Appalachian Trail, maybe a half a mile that way up through the fog. It's my little fire pit. Here's the clawfoot. Nice and clean. And there's my hose that I split from the water heater, which is right here. This is my little insulated box. So there's the L10 Ecotemp instant hot water heater that costs around $200, and it's pretty good price. And it goes into the house right in there. And I insulated this box with this foam insulation. And I laid this reflector insulation down here on the bottom, and then I blew the great stuff in the cracks. And this light bulb is what heats it. So anyway, I think it's going to work. It's supposed to be 20 degrees this weekend here in Harpers Ferry, and it'll be a good test for it. I ran my stack through some metal roofing and gave it enough room that it causes no danger. All right then. Let's see. I was going to show you how it works, but it's turned off on the inside. Anyway, here we go. Have a good day.